Hi, this is Ron the Dream Roper McLean. Are you a problem solver? What does that mean? Stay tuned. I think you might get some value out of this today. Be right back. Ron the Dream Roper back to you. Problem solver. What does that mean? Are you a good problem solver? I'm a great problem solver. I was raised on a farm. If something broke, we had to fix it. I'm an electrician by trade, a maintenance electrician in an industrial automotive plant. So, something's broke, you got to fix it there too, right? So I'm a great problem solver. I can even solve problems that don't exist. What does that mean? Okay, if you're married, you understand. Men are from Mars, women are from Venus. If you listen to a woman when she's got a problem, we men immediately want to help solve the problem. We want to come in, jump in there with a solution before she's even finished explaining the problem. Now, what does that do? Well, to start with, she probably just wanted somebody to listen to her because she probably knows what the answer to their problem is anyway. And by the fact of not listening, we're disempowering her. So what good does that do? So today, my advice, if you're going to be a good problem solver, first you need to listen. And listen, not listening to be ready to talk with an answer as soon as she stops talking. You really need to listen to a person's problem, man or woman, and really listen. Now, to really listen, there's another key. You need to ask questions, because if you listen and you ask clarification questions to get down to the root of the problem, you have a great chance of solving it. Now, if you're in sales, this is even more important, because we all have a tendency to sell what we have, whether we're trying to sell ourselves to another person for a romantic relationship, or we're trying to sell a product or service. Basically, your customer or the person you're talking to isn't really interested in what you have. They're interested in their problem. So first you need to decide what their problem is. And the only way you're going to decide what that problem is to ask them. And then listen to their answer and ask clarifying questions so that you have mutual understanding. Then, if you have an answer to their problem, they'll be far more likely to listen to what that is so that everybody wins. Because really, this isn't about selling something. It's helping people buy what they need to solve their problems. So it's all about problems. So if you're a good problem solver, also a good listener, as being part of a good problem solver, you're already well down the road. So today, let's all listen. When somebody has something to say, somebody has a problem, let us actively listen. So listen up. Have a blessed day. Ron the Dream Roper. Oh, by the way, I like to pass on information that I've received and to help other people. That's just the way I am. And I am starting a daily newsletter, and I'd love to have you be a subscriber and see if you get value. So I'm asking you today I'll put a link on this video where you can sign up for this daily tips that you can use type of newsletter. Now, if you don't agree that it provides value to you, why would you want to keep reading it? Just unsubscribe. We'll be still friends. You won't hurt my feelings. So, looking forward to you being a regular reader, and listen up. Have a blessed day. Ron the Dream Roper signing out.